How to pause Windows updates in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to temporarily stop updates from installing on your device. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on Windows Update in the left sidebar. After that, look for the Pause Updates option on the right side of the screen. At this point, click the drop-down next to it and choose how long you want to pause updates for. From here, you can select anywhere from 1 week up to 5 weeks, depending on how long you need. Following this, once you make your selection, updates will be paused immediately, and you'll see a confirmation at the top of the Windows Update page showing when they're set to resume. After that, if you change your mind and want to resume updates before the pause period is up, just come back to the same page and click Resume Updates. Finally, keep in mind that pausing updates only delays them temporarily. Once the pause period ends, Windows will automatically download and install any pending updates that built up during that time. That's how you pause Windows updates in Windows 11. If this was helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then.